Hello and welcome to this video. This is a very quick video to announce the winner of the giveaway that was hidden away at the end of the recent video that I did around my favourite 250-gram quads. Now there are lots of other quads coming in. It's kind of prompted lots of manufacturers to get in touch with me to kind of send their stuff in. This is a review that's probably going to be on the channel next weekend, and this is definitely sub 250 gram and probably one of my favorite 3-inch quads. I think 3-inch quads for flying outside to squeak under the 250 gram limit is the sweet spot. But let's not get too distracted. Let's have a look at all the comments that was on that video and have a look at who has actually won. So this is the video in question, sub 250 gram quads, what the best options. Went through my thoughts and all the ones that I really loved, and at the end there was an option to win this Scorpion 80 quad. Now loads of people commented on this and really got in with the spirit of the video, so thank you to everybody who took time to pop a comment on here. So we're going to use the random comment picker, going to cut and paste the link. The number of uniques is 178. Let's click on the start button to find who the winner is. And the winner is Scoot Rotor. Is that how you say that? Really nice comment here from Scoot about the bits and pieces. I do like when people leave comments like that rather than just the here's the obligatory comment to enter the competition. So we can see here that this is definitely somebody who's already into small quads. So hopefully the Scorpion 80 is going to add to your collection. So Scoot Rotor, congratulations, well done on winning the prize. The thing to do is pop me an email to lee@painless360.com with your address details. We'll just verify that it's you that's emailing me, because occasionally, believe it or not, I have had people pretending to be the winner when they weren't, and I'll get this thing in the post. So keep your eyes open in the next few weeks on the channel. Somebody that's coming down to these things from more of a 5-inch background, I'm going to be testing a lot of these newer 3-inch quads out to find the ones that are best, and it looks like some of the ones that are coming in are probably going to knock some of my favorites off the top spots. Thanks for watching the video and watching right to the very end. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you like the video and like what I'm doing here, then hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon too. If you really like what I'm doing, you can go the extra mile and become one of my Patreons for access to me directly for support, and also giveaways and regular updates too. If you're looking for particular content, then check out the playlist. I organise all of my videos into playlists, so if you're looking for a particular topic, you can find everything here. If it's called Introduction To, it's designed to start very simply and build on that simple introduction to teach you all about it. If it's called For Beginners, then that is really aimed at people who are brand new to that part of the hobby. You can also search on YouTube for anything that you're interested in using the search function at the top. So iNav Painless 360 will find all of my videos and even the playlists around iNav. So thanks again for watching and happy flying.